I won't. Well, I heard it that time. It is the 29th of January, 2023. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, it's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I just managed to look at, I downloaded actually the last tank level. I saw that it was actually a month after I downloaded, or about 3 weeks after I downloaded my last one. So I downloaded it. I haven't loaded it yet, but maybe I can do that tonight. And uh, I had, for crosstalk, I had a long chat with my son today, and so I have some just general kind of things to talk about in crosstalk. Coming week, then I'm going to play with that latest code or the tank level. Maybe talk to you in crosstalk about if you've made any changes you haven't posted yet, and I still do want to kind of look at the website and look at, in general, ways to reach out to people, and also things that would attract people, like certain type, maybe not even types of progress, maybe just presenting the progress that we've got. And blocks are quite a lot going on, and other things that I'm doing. There's a lot of talk here about alternatives to uh, Shaw or Rogers if they become Shaw cable, and so that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon. This past week, no progress on a bunch of stuff. The tank level project, I was looking through um, level shifters, optocouplers to take the 3.3 volts from the ESP32 and make it 5 volts so that it would switch on and off our LiDAR, so TF Luna LiDAR sensor. And I'm having trouble finding stuff that isn't like a month away in terms of delivery. I went through several things, and it's weird. I'm getting better luck or closer to what I want with the emails that Amazon's giving me after I stop looking than I was when I was looking, which is kind of depressing. Um, Next up, Makerspace. I did visit the shop on Tuesday, and I got a tour. It is interesting that most of the people that I knew are no longer with the group. Um, but I did get a tour of the 3D printers, and I know which tools they're using. So I will actually they're not using any specific tools. They're using something that will output an STL file. And everybody has their own favorite. There was someone using Fusion 360. There was someone using uh, some Open SCAD, I think it was. No one was using FreeCAD, which was kind of disappointing. Anyway, I have had a couple guys offer to help me model up the gear that I'm trying to use for the knitting machine, so that's interesting. The knitting machine, the driver board for the servos arrived. I found a library to drive it, a tutorial on how to get it working. I was going pretty well until I measured the coil resistances and found out that it isn't 2 coils, it is 4 coils with a common point. So the driver board that I've got, the Polulu board, won't actually drive it. So I have to order a different stepper motor that actually meets the specs that it was supposed to. I thought I ordered the right thing. Apparently, I didn't order the right thing. Anyway, um, that took up a fair bit of time, unfortunately. I did get video, and I did have a strange expression on my face when I was when I realized that I didn't order the right thing. But I got it all on video anyway. If anybody wants to see it, I guess I'll hack it together. Next week, I am still hoping to get the Sunfounder Ross reloaded. I am still looking at tank level to try and get them get the TF Luna turned off for the battery or for using a battery for longer. And the knitting machine, Tuesday night, I'm going to try and go to the makerspace and see if we can model up this gear that I've got and get it printed out on the 3D printer. I don't imagine that's going to happen in one night. I imagine it's going to take a couple of nights to model it and then another night to print it. And blocks, I am getting better. I've been sick for almost 2 weeks, and my will to get out of my chair is not very good. Um, I'm not. I don't have it as bad as my wife. My wife had uh, a um, a fever until this morning, so I think she's finally done with it. So I think 5 days from now is when she can go out in public again. Anyway, that's about it for me. Back to you.
Okay, so I'm going to give myself a 5 and the team a 9. And process improvement is what I was talking about, kind of looking over the ways that we could be ready for more people. And that's it.
Okay, I think I'm going to give myself a 7 because I didn't actually get very much stuff done. I moved in the right direction though, so that's worth something. And I did make it to stand up, so I think 7 out of 10 is reasonable. I'll go with 8 for the team probably, and the process of improvement. I guess we're gonna discuss. I guess that's about it for today. You want to do any of the crosstalk on camera? Hello, Lauren. Did you want to do crosstalk on camera, or am I stopping?
Sorry, I was muted.
Ah,
No.
okay, stopping.